Watch me unbox this and I'll show you everything that comes with your new hose reel. It comes with a hose spout. There's your mounting hardware as well as the lead hose, and here is the actual mount that you're going to put on the side of your house or garage. The reel sits right into the mount. It clips in really easily, and then as you can see, you've got the ability to rotate it. Now the hose pulls out very smoothly, very easily, and it pulls out quite far, as you can see. And now I'm screwing on the included hose handle there and showing you how to water your garden. When you're all done with it, just a slight pull, and then it reels back very aggressively and efficiently. Here you can see me demonstrating it on the side of the house. I don't actually have anybody to mount it for me, so I'm just going to show you again. It clicks in there, throw it on the side of the house, and then you've got a totally rotating, very smooth hose reel situation, all ready to water your lawn.